live. This is day 2 of Road to 150k payouts. So I ended the last day. I wasn't feeling well. I was in a trade, so I just hopped off the stream, but I let the trade play out. And I think when I left the stream, I was negative in that trade. I was up for, I want to say 488, which normally I stop. But I had already, Trump was talking, so I had already accepted, I'm willing to lose the account, the evaluation, based on, the conversations that he was having about the trading. I felt that there was enough volatility. Unfortunately, I was on the other side. My initial trade idea in the beginning, before he started speaking, was perfect. I just didn't take the trade. But that I would have passed the account for sure, if I had taken that trade. But afterwards, I got as high as a little bit over 1500. And I closed the trade, and I should have been happy with that. But again, I was willing to lose the account, so I thought, hey, why not? Let's size up and just pass it. But I ended up buying on the on the low, and then I just went straight back up. So I have another account, but it's not loading up. So let me just reload Quant Tower. Let's load it up again. And I'm trying different color schemes for myself here. So this background color might change and it might not. We'll see. But usually, and also I don't normally trade the New York Open because I'm at work by that time. But I wasn't feeling well that day or the other day, and but well enough to be at my desk, kind of, but not well enough to be at work. But yeah, usually I'm at work during that time, so I usually trade, I would say London session, and pre-market. So we have a fresh account here. Let's see, it's not showing up. Let's get that to show up now. Nope. One more. No. It's a Quant Tower main. There you go. Account status. Nope. There you go. Okay, so there. So you can see I have a fresh account. This is my eval number 32. So that means I've had 32 evals from Apex. And I'm not really too sure what to put on the top right side. Let's see. I don't know what else information. But for now, I'm going to keep this layout. Okay, so let's look at the market here. So if we look at the daily, we're still on an uptrend. That's the only thing about Quant Tower I'm not a fan of, is that I can only see what contract we're in. I can't see previous contracts altogether. So that's why I gotta go to Trading View here. Let's see. So on the daily on Trading View, we're reaching a consolidation area from December to, I would say, mid-February. So we're almost in the 50% mark of that consolidation area. we're about to reach a daily fair value, bearish fair value gap from February 24. So that is at, let's see, 453. So that would be, let's mark it on here. And this is, where is that? 21,450, 453. Right? Is that right? 453.75. Okay. So that is where the fair value gap starts. So we're still going up. Let's see the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour left a huge fair value gap down below. Let's see the 4 hour here. Oops. We've tapped into the high, so created a new high. And we're just kind of consolidating here in this range. So let's see what So yeah, we're in this range. Whether it wants to break out. So we're pretty far from the daily fair values. Very far, so don't have to worry about that. If it goes up, yeah, I can just keep going up higher and higher. Oh, sorry, here it is. 2470. 453.75. Sorry, let's fix that. 453. And let's just lock it. All right. So let's see, 5 minute. Yeah, so let's just see what happens in this area here. If it continues to pump higher or breaks down. I mean, ideally, let's see, this is Asian session here, right? Let's see. I mean, you can kind of see here that right about here it tapped some liquidity down below and then shot up. So we can see it took out this liquidity here. Let's just see where that will continue to go. If it's gonna hold or keep going up. I mean, I kind of want to take it this bounce. If we do 1-to-1, $5.75. Yeesh. $4.50. You know, I think I'm comfortable with this right here. Yeah, I think I'm okay with that. I would like to take this trade. Stop loss down here. TP here. Yep. If it retraces down back there, then yeah, that's a trade I'd be happy with. All right. I like this pullback. Here we go. I think I'll get tagged in. And hopefully it'll bounce. If not, I'm okay. Just gotta trust my trade idea. Alright, so this is my trade idea. Oh, yeah. Well, that looks like that didn't work out. Yeah, looks like it just took that liquidity above and it's heading back down. I mean, I'm tempted to, well, I was tempted to open up my, yeah, I feel like it will bounce. Yeah, I think we're gonna bounce from here. Let's do one more. This time I did a market order. So market order, we'll do 210. No. I'll make my stop 290, 210, just below here. I still have an idea that it just wants to get higher. If this doesn't work out, then I would call it a day. I just want to take 1 to 2 trades. But again, this is not looking good. Yeah. Not looking good. Oh yeah. I'll be taken out in 2 trades. Yeah, maybe I got in too early. Probably gonna pull back a lot further. Oops. Where's the turn? here. Is this the turn? $190. Was that the turn? Oops. I still want to buy. I just don't know where. Settlement is here. And the close. Okay, I think it's going for the close. So I'll buy at the close. And let's aim for, sorry. I want to risk, I only want to risk 250. Yeah. So there you go. At the low. Yeah. I do want to scalp though. I feel like scalping could help us, so let's scalp. 10. Ticks. No. Oh wow, good thing I didn't scalp. 21.99. Oh, there's gonna be huge order here. I'm so tempted to size up, but I want to be disciplined. I want to, even though, these evals don't cost much, I want to be disciplined where, and treat it as if it's my funded account. Although I'm already risking more than I usually risk. I do like that rejection. $21.88. $21.99. About here. Let's do take profit. 200 below. Stop loss. Let's say 100. It might be pretty tight, but could also go into this fair value gap, but that's a trade that I'm willing to take. I wonder if this text is too small for the stream. I could. Yeah, it is kind of small. Can I make it bigger? I mean, it's unfortunate this trade pretty much almost hit my target. Yeah, I'm not liking this price movement. I think it wants to take out the previous day close here. So my new area I'm looking at is here. And actually, sorry. Yeah. I'm liking this. You know what? I'm going to scalp this right here. TP. Where's that? Okay. I only got filled once. That sucks. That was strange. That would have been a nice trade, but I only got filled one contract. It sucks. Okay, so that's a good pullback. Oh yeah. I'm gonna try this trade again. TP, let's see. I wanna aim up here. But oops. Hold on. That's not what I wanted to do. Alright, we're in profit. That's what I like. Let's put it. I just want to make back my losses, pretty much. I just want to move it up here. There you go. I'm okay. Alright, almost made my losses back. But we gotta be cautious once it reaches this fair value gap. See, touch that fair value gap and then bounce right back. Look at that drop there. That was a trap for buyers to get people to buy up there and then boom, take them out immediately. So this is like usually a dangerous area because it's entering a huge fair value gap. So you don't want to short right there because it has a potential to mitigate the whole thing, which is, how much? It's like, almost 35 points. You don't want to short from there, but you don't want to buy either because it's like you might be buying at the high of this pullback. Like you don't know how far it's going to pull back. So it's best to just wait. I mean, it's a good idea to trade before it gets there because once you're near it, there's a strong chance that it's trying to reach there. But once it reaches it and touches it, then it's, you're kind of in a danger zone if you're not in a trade already. But I like this reaction for a short. Oh yeah, this is looking pretty good. If I end the day with a, down 180, 190, that's fine. That's a good day. I want to take a trade right here. Oh, that dropped quite a bit. Seems to be bouncing off of this fair value gap here. So this injection happened at the 12:50 time. 1 o'clock, so now they're injecting even more. It's a good, nice. That might be the move. Well, it's almost hitting my profit target, so that means this trade to me is invalid. Tempted to do a short or a scalp, but want to protect myself from any further losses by sizing up. This looks pretty good though, but super tempting. took out this high. Oops, why did I do that? That was a mistake. That was a big mistake, sorry. I don't know why I pressed it. Well, that was... How did that happen? Oh, okay. Well, I'm in... What? Holy, that was some insane slippage. That was some crazy slippage. Actually, I should have closed it. I thought I can... That was weird. That was strange. Very, very strange. But you know what? I kind of like this trade. You know what? I'm okay with this. Let's do a limit here. I think we're gonna hit this. And I'm not gonna put a stop loss because I feel like, yeah, see? There we go. 300. Yeah. There you go. Let's close it. Flatten it. All right. We're up. Yeah, the spread was something I wasn't too comfortable with. So I think usually that's not very good trading from me. Scalping this kind of movement. Oh, see that? That could easily have gone the other way. But I think I'm okay with this. To be up after 2 losses is a good thing. Usually, if I try to get in the past, if I tried to go for more, I would lose. So I'm going to stop this. I'm going to end the stream and I'm going to trade again in the morning, pre-market, an hour before pre-market. Ooh, but that would have been beautiful. I feel like, see, I'm so tempted to take this trade. Should I do it, people? Should I do it? Let's try again. Let's see. I'm gonna see if it pulls back here. Pullbacks up, sorry, up here. Take profit to here. Actually, maybe allow to DCN. No. Not happy with that. But wow, if I had done that right here, ooh, right here, ooh, I could have passed it or gone close. It wants to hit that previous day close, but you know, it's very scary. Yeah. That would have been disgusting if I shorted from down here. Let's just see what the 1 minute looks like. Oops. So it took, where did it take the high? Here? Check out this high. Down. Let's see, 30-second. Check out this high. The 30-second. Oh, right here. This is what I'm looking at. This is it. Took out this high. Down. There's no pullback. This went straight down. This might have been the signal. Sorry, is Trump speaking? Let's just see. Oh, I see. The G. kind of interested in this. A quick scalp? Is that considered quick scalp? Let's see. Oh, that's not good. But, you know, I was down. Oh, yeah, that's not good. $450. That was a pretty big injection. 580. How much am I willing to lose? Let's see how this plays out, actually. I don't think it's going to go above here. Above here is the maximum amount that would blow the account. Again, it's weird. I said I wasn't willing to lose this account, but I guess I am. Okay, we're back at break even. All right. I like that. We're in profit. Okay. Oh yeah. There you go. Sweet. So we're up 372. Okay. Now I'm gonna call it today, because I didn't know Trump was talking. He was in Saudi Arabia, apparently. So I'm gonna end the stream here, up 372 after a couple of bad trades. So I'll see you in a few hours.